and welcome back to another install video. I hope you guys did not just hear my belly rumble. Anyway, I'm here today to install this gorgeous HD lace wig from Asteria Hair, 13 by 4, but it actually goes all the way around, which you guys know a lot of wigs kind of have that U part and then like 2 inches, so this does not have that. I'm just going to flip the wig on and then we're going to install and have a little chat. You guys can see, let me step back, it's a very full. Now I actually have not started tweezing this hair, so that is what we are going to be working on for a minute. Okay, so hot comb, tweezers, I'm ready. So I ended up taking the wig off so that I could like tweeze properly because it was hurting my arm doing this. So I tweezed quite a bit, to be honest, if you guys can tell from before. So now this lace is really thin, so like it's not really going to give me any issues. I'm just gonna cut in like a jagged motion. And you guys can literally see how melted it is. If I still use lace glue, I would literally, this with a lace glue install would be fire. But those days are over. I'm off the lace glue crack. Let me tell you guys, they made this wig very well because I have, not only do I have space, I even have extra room so that if I make a mistake, like I can correct it. Then I'm gonna spray my wig, stick my wig down with my Got To Be spray. I'm just gonna use my tangle teaser to brush out the excess shed hair. Just like so, it gets it out so good. Okay, so now I'm literally gonna work on the parting and baby hairs. So I'm just gonna hot comb my hair down the middle, just like so. Then a little bit of concealer just down the middle. Black Got To Be gel. Let me show it to you guys. This, I'm going to use this Got To Be gel and the little spoolie that I got in the box, and first brush that part back and then and once I've done that, I'm going to just spray a really light layer of Got To Be spray, and I'm going to use my elastic band and just tie my hairline. Once that's done, I'm going to work on the rest of my hair. This is going to take a little while, so I'm just going to wet it down, not completely, just dampen it almost, because the curl pattern is really beautiful, as you guys can see. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to take my Living Proof Curl Defining Gel and I'm going to use like a lot of pumps of this. I think I literally did like 7 pumps. And I'm going to smooth this through the hair, literally all throughout the top. and you're almost gonna like literally use your palms and really make sure that it has coated every single strand, especially your ends. You don't want to forget the ends. Coat it just like so. I'm going to go in with my Tresemme intensive mask as well. I'm just going to do the same thing, just put it all through the hair. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but I'm just going to wear it in the bathroom because that will be quicker. And I will be back in like 5 or 10 minutes to show you guys the finished look. Oh, not her being stuck, honey. Boom. Laid. Okay, I just gave laid a new name. Laid. And this is the finished look. My ends are like starting to dry already, but they're drying nice and controlled, like how I like them. This hair is gorgeous. Like, imagine if I dyed it jet black. Wow. Definitely doing that next. Thank you so much to Asteria Hair for sending me this unit. It is beautiful. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you long time, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.